In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view OneDrive Online. We'll keep this simple and fast. Viewing OneDrive Online means opening the web version of your cloud files directly from your desktop, so you can access everything in a browser without digging through folders. Start on your desktop. If you have apps covering the screen, minimize them so you can see the taskbar. Look to the lower right corner near the clock. That area is the system tray, and that's where the OneDrive icon lives. It looks like a small cloud. If you don't see it right away, click the little arrow that shows hidden icons. Many PCs tuck the cloud in there to keep things tidy. If you use more than one account, such as personal and work, you might notice more than one cloud. Hover to confirm which one you want. Click the OneDrive cloud once. A small panel will pop up showing sync status and recent activity. Inside this panel, find the option labeled View Online. This is the shortcut that opens your OneDrive in your default web browser. Go ahead and select View Online. Your browser will launch a new tab and take you to the OneDrive website. If you're already signed in on that browser, you'll land right on your OneDrive home or the My Files page. If the site asks you to sign in, that's normal. Just continue with your usual account to proceed. Once the page loads, you're looking at the online view of your files and folders. You can open folders, preview documents, and use the search bar to find items quickly. The web view also shows handy details like file owners, last modified dates, and sharing status. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If the View Online option doesn't appear immediately after you click the cloud, wait a moment. OneDrive may be checking your sync status. If the cloud icon is missing from the tray, OneDrive might be paused or not running. Once it's active, the icon returns and the View Online shortcut will be available. And if a different browser opens than the one you prefer, you can still copy the URL and paste it into your favorite browser. That's it. From the desktop, click the OneDrive cloud, choose View Online, and you're in the web interface, ready to manage your files from anywhere. For quick access later, bookmark the tab once it opens so you can return in a single click. If you hit any access or loading hiccups, refresh the page and make sure you're signed into the intended account.